Hi, class. I wanted to talk about a little conflict that I had experienced at work last week. This conflict was between my counterpart and myself, and it was based on a message that we had to send to our teams. It was actually something that we had to talk to our teams about, and we wanted to get together and talk about some common ground and maybe a common message that we were going to take back to our individual teams. At the beginning of the conversation, my counterpart and myself had kind of approached the conversation like this. We were very angry and hostile at the beginning of the conversation, even before it started, because we knew that we were not going to agree with each other's stance on this topic. One of the six steps of conflict resolution that was present was being prepared. We were both very prepared to argue our stance, maybe not so prepared on being accepting of each other's. The conflict ended with us having raised our voices quite a bit and disagreeing, and we both actually did not come to a resolution. We both left the conversation pretty frustrated and angry with each other. Neither one of us were very pleased with the results of the conversation, just because we had not accomplished what we had set out to do, and rather we had maybe handled the situation incorrectly, and it ended with both of us being pretty upset with each other. Neither my partner or myself were pleased with how it ended. Going forward, before entering similar situations, I believe that I will do a little bit better job of preparing myself for the other person's views, maybe trying to put myself in their shoes before we even begin the conversation. This will allow me to better listen to them and understand maybe where they're coming from. This will also hopefully allow them to do the same and maybe take a step back and look at the conversation from my point of view, and this will help us to better resolve these conflicts in the future.